name is Gloria Duran, and today is Sunday, January 26, 2020, and this is for Bio230 at LAPU. It's week 2 video, and in this video we'll be discussing the function and structure of the 4 types of tissue in the human body, also where these can be found. To start off, a group of cells form a tissue, and the 4 types of tissue are epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous. Epithelial tissue is what covers the surface of the body, and it is what forms the lining of most internal cavities. The cells in epithelial tissue can be thin, flat, cube, or elongated. The major functions of epithelial tissue are protection, secretion, absorption, and filtration. An example of epithelial tissue would be the skin. Skin protects the body from many external environments, any bacteria, dust, dirt, or anything that's harmful to our bodies. Connective tissue is the most abundant type of tissue. It performs a variety of functions, including support and protection. Connective tissue is seen in different forms. We see connective tissue as loose connective tissue, which is like loose fibers. There's more gaps within. There's dense, so very little gaps, very much thicker. Adipose tissue, which is fat. Cartilage, bone. Well, cartilage is bone. Blood, and also lymph. So it also comes in fluid form. Muscular tissue is found in 3 different types. So there's smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, and skeletal muscle. Smooth muscle is found in the walls of the internal organs, as well as within the blood cells. Smooth muscle is involuntary in nature, therefore you can't command it. It doesn't work on command, it works on its own. Cardiac muscle is only found within the walls of the heart, and it is also involuntary in nature. So the cardiac muscle just pumps on its own. You don't need to send any signals from your brain to it for it to do what it's supposed to do. Skeletal muscle can be found surrounding bone, and it's used in the contraction of skeletal parts. So basically, when you're walking, when you're flexing your arms, when you're doing anything, your skeletal muscle is voluntary in nature, so therefore you're telling it what to do and when to do it. Nervous tissue appears long and stringy. It doesn't only receive signals, but it also sends signals to and from all parts of the body. So let's say it's your nerves. So if you feel any pain, it's your nervous system that sends the signals to your brain to block that pain or to respond to it. When a group of cells come together, as I previously mentioned, or the previously mentioned cells or tissues, those tissues are formed. When there's a group of tissues, an organ is formed. When there's a group of organs, an organ system is formed, and that is what composes the human body. So with that being said, thank you for your time, and God bless.